Good morning, everybody. I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and welcome back. This morning, I just got out of bed. I'm still in my jammies. And I came out here to the kitchen. And I didn't do dishes last night. And today I want to talk to y'all about a product that saved my marriage. Okay. That might be a little bit of an exaggeration. However, this might sound like a commercial, but I promise you that this product will make your dishwashing life so much easier. How many times have you ever woke up to a pan that looked like that? Now, I know some of you folks out there get every single dish done before you go to bed and you don't have to wake up to nothing. But for the rest of us, this is real life and this is a struggle, okay? So watch this. You see that? That is Platinum Powerwash. And it's a foamy thing. And you just spray it in there. I like to cover the whole pan with it. This one happens to be a green apple scent. Okay, apple scent, but it's a green apple. And it smells amazing. They have a regular scent if you don't like scented stuff. Got another one. See this? Yep. This is burned on Mississippi roast. Those of us who have teenagers, we know what it's like whenever your teenager does the dishes and only half the dishes get clean. Or your husband decides to make a meal one night and forgets all about the dishes. And you gentlemen might have a lady friend or a wife that does the same kind of stuff. I happen to be the person who, when I'm finished cooking, even if I don't feel like doing dishes that night, I will fill the pot or pan up with water so that the next day it's easier to wash out. My husband, on the other hand, is the kind that leaves it sitting on the stove and get crusty all night long so that the next morning I have to wake up and scrub out dried on crusty muck out of a pot or a pan. And that's why I say this product saved my marriage. Because I used to get so angry about it. And I'm like, what is wrong with putting water in a pot? Watch this. You ain't gonna believe it. All you have to do, I use the scrubby side. Look at this. You just wipe it out. Rinse it off. Rake it out to wash the outside of it. Take the dishcloth and dry it out. Look at that. Can you believe that? This stuff is amazing. Now that is just old. This is a 25-year-old pan. Let's try it on this one. Like I said, this is burned on. And it might take a little extra effort, but I don't know. Let's see. Y'all, this is crazy. There's one spot in the middle, right here, that needs a little extra elbow grease. However, now it's gone. I'm going to wash the outside real quick like. Wipe it out. bit shiny so y'all can see that there's no more burned on stuff in there. This stuff has made my life so much easier. And it's kept me and my husband from arguing with each other about stupid stuff. I know I said this wasn't a commercial, but honestly, I just saved myself 20 minutes of scrubbing by using this one product. It's not just good for pots and pans either. I clean my stove off with it if it gets yucky. Now, it does take a little extra to get it off, and you can't rinse your stove off real well. You know, you can't just pour water all over it because it'll make a mess. But I don't even rinse it. I just rub it around like this. I take a paper towel and I wipe all the suds off, or a dishcloth. And it does a beautiful job of cleaning the stovetop. Let me show you. Look at this. Shiny and new. So y'all, if you want to ease your life in the kitchen and to save time and aggravation, get yourself some of this Dawn Platinum Powerwash. I just want to know where the heck it's been all my life. Honestly, I love it. I really do. I love it. And honest to God, if you're not happy with it, I'll buy your bottle. Okay, that might be going a little too far, but I can't imagine anybody not being happy with it. I'm super picky, and this stuff is a miracle in my house, I promise.